Good morning. It is Friday the 27th of September, and luckily we got a beautiful day for a climate strike. I'm really excited to say that today my mom and I are going to drive to Montreal and join the protests on Mount Royal with Greta Thunberg. She's actually going to be there, which is really exciting. I was going to do the one in Ottawa, but my mom was the one who reminded me that Greta is going to be in Montreal, so we're not that far. So Mom is going to join me. This is my first time doing an actual protest or rally or anything of this nature and scale. So to be honest, I'm a tad nervous. And as I was driving over here to pick up my mom, I just realized, why didn't we think of taking the train to Montreal? Okay, so we are off on our next adventure. Mom is driving the first little bit, and I'll take over once we get closer to the city. We're gonna actually park at my aunt's and then hop on the metro from her house. Step 2, we made it to my aunt's in Montreal. Quite late, but my aunt has been watching the news updates regularly, and apparently the rally has started a bit late. So we're hoping we could just get to Mount Royal. There's my Aunt Linda, she's coming with us. My Tia Linda is, I have to put my seatbelt. My Tia Linda is Trina's mom. So Trina, if you watched my Greece vlog, you met Trina, my cousin, my lovely cousin, and so that's your mom, and this is her dad, my uncle, my tsitsi Nick. So this is my mom's brother, so it's more my mom's side of the family. And there's Mom in the back seat. Another day in the city. I am living my best life here. Going to get my hair cut by my fabulous hairstylist, who I will introduce you to. But she also has a spa in her salon. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get my hair washed, and then I'm gonna get a body scrub.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go grab some drinks with Curella and my friend Melody, who you've seen on the channel before. But anyway, as always, there's some great kind of textured layers because I love it when I can just kind of blow dry my hair naturally and it still looks nice and textured. Today is one of our last days downtown Ottawa. We're staying in one of the most, I think, beautiful neighborhoods. It's full of historic houses. This is where my sister-in-law lives. And it's been really nice just being back in the city. It really reminds me that I think I need to live in a city. It's just, and this isn't even a big city. Or somewhere where there's a bit more life and a bit more, people on the regular. And I've also realized that I think I kind of want to get a cat, but I don't know. I wanted to still think about it, go back home and see how I like not having a cat again. I'm back home, still quite sad that I have had to leave the city. Anyway, I'm excited right now because I'm about to do a podcast interview. I've already done one interview with my friend Laura Kelly. Her podcast is You Might Not Like It. I was in her second episode, but it felt really relaxed and casual because Laura and I have great conversations all the time. So I wasn't really nervous, but I'm being interviewed today by Erica Vieira. And she has a really great podcast geared towards female YouTubers and women entrepreneurs who want to grow their business through YouTube. So I am ridiculously flattered that she even thought of me for this. She's had some major big YouTubers on her show. So I'm a little nervous, to be honest. I hope I can answer her questions. I mean, mean, what do I know? I feel like, but she seems super cool, and I'm excited to share this podcast with you all once it comes out. We are heading into PetSmart because we think we have found a little kitten. There's one up for adoption on Kijiji that we found. Hi. And we're supposed to maybe go pick him up on Saturday, so hopefully that works out. But in the meantime, we don't have a lot of time. It's Thursday night, so I was kind of scrambling looking for things secondhand, but now we're gonna buy some litter, and I found a really good article on kind of eco-friendly cat litter and food and all these other eco-friendly cat things, which I'm really excited about. I've never owned a cat. The only pet I've ever had is a guinea pig. I had 7 all at once. It was a bit wild. So today, I have this little guy with me. His name is Apollo, and yeah, I went for a run this morning. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know how I'm supposed to go into the city and stuff without this little guy. Maybe there's like a baby Bjorn or something. There he is. Now he's eating. But I'm excited for him and me because I just received a shipment of this stuff. It's called Number 2, and it's a toilet paper that is made out of bamboo. So they sent me a bunch, clearly, to try. And bamboo is good because the forests reach maturity in, I think it's 2 to 6 years instead of the average 20 years it takes for regular trees to grow to make normal toilet paper. So I'm curious to try that. Okay, went in to get a new provincial health card and their system was down. And it just happens to be right across from the Habitat for Humanity store. I don't know if you, oh, there we go. God, get it together, Alyssa. So I'm looking for water glasses and a little like ottoman or poof that I can put near the window for Apollo, my new cat, if you're just joining, to sit on and look out the window. Okay, so this is everything that I was originally purchasing. Some great citronella candles for next summer, found some great organizing baskets that work with my color scheme, and then I saw these beautiful teapot sets behind the cash. They were made in Stratfordshire, England. My mother would be so proud. My teapot broke in the move, and I am, as you know, an avid tea drinker, so here we go. I'm treating myself to this set. It's rather expensive, $45 for all 3, but just, I mean, look at how beautiful it is. Today, I am in Prince Edward County, which is a lovely little community about 2.5 hours south of where I live. It's like another little wine country, a little bit similar like Niagara-on-the-Lake. Anyway, it's a cute little town, and I found a thrift shop, so here we go. So excited. Okay, so I found this for my closet to sit on top of the big dresser that I have. And I like it because it's shallow enough to sit on top. I can put bowls of jewelry here. The only thing is that it's got these 2 little doors, which are really cute. But it's nice to be able to see things. And there's nowhere to hang anything, but might be good even for like stacking bracelets. It looks like it's been sanded and it's incredibly dusty, so I'm gonna check it for mold because when things are very porous like wood and baskets, I think it's really important to check for that, but it seems like it's in okay condition. Oh, and you can hang it too. This is great. I'm gonna grab this. It's only $6. I love this mock neck. It's perfect for the holidays. I don't really need this sweater, so I'm probably gonna put it back, but just wanted to admire it. It's in great condition, and I love that neck. Oh, look at this oversized Ann Taylor blazer. Tweed, incredibly cool extra long and extra wide lapel. It's a size 9 and it was made in France. OMG, this is gonna be way too big, but I cannot leave it here. I'm gonna try it on. Ooh. Wait a minute. Oh, I thought that said Ganny for a second. Beechersbrook. Remember when your mom would wear Beechersbrook and it was like a big thing? I feel like this looks very familiar. I like the plaid. I'm just gonna try these, even though I don't need blazers, but I would love a nice oversized-ish blazer that doesn't feel so stuffy. I have a hard time, I feel like blazers, I often feel a little bit constricted when they're tight. So it's nice to find something that is a little bit more loose. Okay, here is the Ann Taylor. It's pretty cool. The length is great. I do find the sleeves a bit too wide, and even if I were to take the shoulder pads out, it would, like, it's coming out a solid 3/4 of an inch past, maybe even an inch past my shoulder. I'm also realizing that I probably should have washed my hair this morning after my run, so that'll be on the agenda tomorrow. Very sad, because this is such a beautiful rich color, but I grabbed some other men's blazers that we'll try on as well. Okay, loving the print on this one, but I don't think it is the most flattering because of where it falls, and I'm really looking for something that comes a little bit lower, more of a boyfriend fit. So this is pretty cool, but not what I'm looking for. This is clearly way too ginormous, but it's a Harris tweed and it's Scottish material, and I really just wanted to try it on. Oh, look at these shoes. They're Armani. They're 7.5. That's my size. Oh, but I just bought my beautiful brown loafers. I do not need them. Okay, I am at the Ottawa Vintage Show. This is how I'm starting my month of November. I'm doing some pieces for the show itself on Instagram stories, but I had to stop and try this beauty of a coat on. It's vintage. My guess is like, what, 80s, 90s? It's quite streamlined. Mom never likes to talk on videos. I don't know why. It's just so cool. At me, don't yes. She's so funny. Anyway, I had to try this on. This is just... I love the combination of like classic but with a little bit of a twist. Anyways, $350. I don't have a use for it, which is incredibly unfortunate, so I'm not going to buy it. But I just had to show you and share that, man, sometimes secondhand is really best, isn't it? Hey, my dear friend Lisa.
Hi.
We're at her booth, and she's actually started a vintage/secondhand clothing for kids.
Yes, cute little kids' clothes, carefully curated line of quality goods that I hope inspiring for more people to buy for baby showers.
Yes,
and create like a secondhand culture.
Yes, I think it's genius. I don't have any children, but my girlfriend's little girl, who is only 1 now, I think is going to be really lucky in like 2 years. Because
yes.
I'm getting her this.
Yes, I agree.
And you have to show the hood, the inside of the hood.
Yes. There's the hood, fully lined, red, little buttons, and it's made in Canada.
Oh yeah, the little nugget.
Little nugget.
There you go.
We love. Okay.
Love, love.
Yay.
I said the word stoked. Is that okay?
Okay, just got back in from a run. The weather has definitely turned, so I'm wearing all of my winter gear. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here, and I think it's gonna be, well, I mean, you'll have watched it, so I think it'll be like this big jumble of the past few months, because that's just the way life has been lately. So I hope you liked it, and I think there's gonna be some good content coming, hopefully, for the holidays, and I have been doing a number of collabs with brands that I really do like, so especially during the holidays you might see some more sponsored videos coming in, but again, I say no to like 95% of the videos, so I do hope you like them. I do, I really do like the brands that I'm gonna get to work with in the coming months. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked the vlog, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao! Hey Apollo? What are you doing? Oh, never mind.